Hi and welcome to this video on blockchain. In recent years, you may have heard about blockchain and its potential to revolutionize industries and change the way we live and work. But what exactly is blockchain, and how does it work? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the world of blockchain, discussing its key features and how it's being used today. We'll also be exploring the potential of blockchain to bring about improvements in areas such as security, efficiency, and transparency. What is blockchain? At its most basic level, blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger that allows for secure and transparent record keeping. It works by using a distributed network of computers, known as nodes, to validate and record transactions, rather than relying on a central authority. One of the key features of blockchain is that it uses cryptography to secure the records and ensure their integrity. Each record, or block, in the chain is linked to the previous block, creating a chain of blocks that is secured through cryptographic techniques. This makes it nearly impossible for someone to alter the records without being detected. An example of how blockchain works is through the use of cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin. When a Bitcoin transaction is made, the details of the transaction, including the sender's and receiver's addresses and the amount of Bitcoin being transferred, are recorded on the blockchain. The transaction is then verified by the network of nodes, and once it has been verified, it is added to the chain as a new block. Another key aspect of blockchain is that it is decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by a single entity or organization. Instead, the network is run by a network of nodes that work together to validate and record transactions. This decentralization makes it more resilient and secure, as there is no single point of failure that can be targeted by hackers. How is blockchain being used today? Blockchain technology is being used in a variety of industries and applications today. In addition to its use in cryptocurrency, blockchain is also being used for supply chain management, allowing companies to track the movement of goods from the manufacturer to the consumer. This can increase transparency and reduce the risk of fraud or errors in the supply chain. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.